guys, welcome to another most important part in Photoshop, how to create or design typography style or typography logo design in Photoshop. So before starting in Photoshop, you must install these three fonts: Bicon, Scrap Pro, Bold, Regular or Semi-Bold. You can find the download link into section description. Okay, after installing, open your Photoshop again. Let's hold Alt key, zoom in and select text, change the color into black and write here something. Photoshop, let's select this paragraph from left to right. Photoshop tile design standard tab stick typography. Write something most important for Bicon Script Pro. Change it with space and click on apply. So there you can find the open type style by going to type menu. Here is open type. Take a look. All the stylistic ordinals fraction. Or there you can see the icons by clicking here. So how to active this type of style? Go to here, find Bicon Script Pro 3. Let's see. There is Bicon Script Pro. Click on the star and select. And now you can see, select the bold or select semi-gold, select all, make of it big size. And now take a look. If you need to use this type of style, you must click here. Take a look there. Take a look on P, turn off, turn on. So if you turn on the ST, I mean statistic, turn on. And let's turn on this one. What's this? Swatch. Turn on and turn off. You can see the P, the S, the T, the D typography style by clicking here. Let's see this one. What's this? Stylistic alternates. Turn on, turn off. You can see the difference between. So right here, Ford. It means you can create Ford logo design by using Bicon Script Pro 3. Let's see Ford. Let's see this one. Ford. Let's see this one. Ford. Good. So how to use this first one option? Standard ligatures. Click here. Click apply. You click here with press V to move up there. Right here F5 and select the style for that. So let me find that style. Standard alternates. Select and change the font style by pressing down arrow key. Let's check on this one. Turn on. There you can see the difference. When you turn on, you can see the combine of the F and I alphabet. When you turn off, there you can see the I and F difference. By using wedge font, there you can see the font. Let me zoom in. Gabriela. Zoom out. Let's close again. So if you need to make shortcut for this style of the typography, you must go to type, take a look, open type or swatch. If you need to make shortcut, Ctrl Z again, go to edit, preferences, go to edit, keyboard shortcuts and go to layer, go to type and go to open type, select swatch and click here. So what's the shortcut you want to set for this command? Ctrl Shift F. If you accept, click here to accept this one. So if you don't need to accept this shortcut for this, click cancel again. So what's next? If you need to save this font for logo design, must go to file, save a copy and select PNG. Click on save or cancel. Okay guys, this was about open type or typography style or design for your logo. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.